When you get out of work in a robe. Hi guys, my manager was doing some shopping and she got a really good deal on this robe. It was like $16 when it's like 60 something, so she got it and I'm gonna pay her back tomorrow. I'm so happy. Look how comfy this looks. There's one I wanted at Target that I didn't end up getting, and this one feels very luxurious. Love it. It's really comfortable and it's kind of cold out right now too, so it's kind of perfect. Got my little Coach backpack. I feel like I look like a pimp or something. Like I'm in one of Atali's videos doing a prank video. But yeah, this is so comfortable. My mom's gonna be laughing when she sees me. Love this robe. Thanks for getting it for me, Katie. I love it. I can't wait to like enjoy this and like watch some movies and hang out and wear this robe. It's so soft. I love it. I just got sent over some jackets and I'm gonna open them up right now. I'm excited. Let's see, I haven't really vlogged a lot, so sorry about that. I've been working. Ooh, I'm so excited. These jackets said they're gonna come today, and then I got something else happen to where they said it's gonna be on Friday. So I'm really excited that they came early. Ooh, got my 2 jackets. I can't wait. I got this sent over from members only, so a little shout out to you guys. Thank you for the awesome jacket. Definitely check them out, guys, because they have some cool stuff. Ooh, I got a hat too. Awesome. Let's see what they wrote. They put, thank you for becoming a member. In appreciation of your help promoting our brand, we have included a souvenir member only hat with your shipment. Enjoy. When you put it on, something happens. Ooh, let's see what happens. Am I magical? But I got a cool members only hat, guys, so this is cool. Thank you guys, I love it. Let's open up my jackets. I'm so excited to see them. I got like, I forget what I picked out. Ooh, this is the jacket that I like. This one's like the varsity one. I love this. This one's so cool, guys. So I got this jacket. You'll see more on my Instagram / my video I'm gonna be doing wearing their jackets. So you guys will see those soon. And what's this one? I don't remember. It's like a bomber jacket or something. Ooh, I'm so excited. I love this one, guys. Look how luxury. My dad in the background. This is like a luxury one, guys. It's like a bomber jacket. Ooh. I'm gonna be wearing this one, so you guys will see it on my Instagram soon. And this is my little wall over here. I got a bunch of waterfall lights. I saw Zoe have them, Zoella. And I'm like, I'm so excited. I finally got some of my own. I didn't even know what they were called. So they're waterfall lights, if you guys are wondering. And this is my little cat, Maleficent. Say hi, Maleficent. This is her little thing. I bought her, was like under 100. It's a little cat scratching post thing for her to chill on. Kind of decorated it in Chinese New Year theme because Chinese New Year is coming. Say hi, Maleficent. This is my cat I rescued, guys. Someone abandoned her in the mountains and I found her by my house, so I took her in. Say hi. She's so cute. But anyways, that's my little haul. I guess I'll flip it over and show you guys the other way too. I was kind of using my cat scratching post as a tripod for me to vlog, but this is how it looks with the waterfall lights and her cute little housing. So there's that. It goes down to there and all her toys are down there. And these are my jackets I got. I love these, guys. They're so cool. So they got the cool members only logo on it, or the little M on this side and the 0 on the other side. So this is like a cool varsity jacket. And then this bomber jacket that I love so much. This is totally me and my aesthetic and style, so I can't wait to be wearing this and doing my fun little video. You guys will see it soon. My little cat's food. And I love my waterfall lights. Then a little sneak peek of my altar. Won't give you too much. Say hi, Maleficent. You love the viewers? Say hi. You're so cute. And there's Stephanie.
Oh, hello.
I'm shooting my little video right now. You could see the tripod and the lake doing the first jacket that I got. I love this bomber jacket for members only. Let's see, where's their little thing at? Was somewhere on my arm right there. Members only. Hi, Mason. So I'm doing my little video right now. My little fun sponsor with them. I love this. And I love my little black onyx necklace, and this jacket looks so nice on me, guys. I love it. So I'm filming my little video for them right now, and I'm really excited. It's such a nice sunny day. Look at the sun, and it's just nice and peaceful. Get to enjoy the lake to myself right now and shoot this fun video for you guys. And I was cleaning my shoes so much because these shoes right here, guys, got really messed up on my trip to Vegas. I stepped in some mud and they got all muddy, and I'm like, oh, so I had to clean those. But yeah, just shooting my video, enjoying my time. In the grocery store doing some shopping, getting some fruit right now. Say hi, Mason.
Hi.
What are you doing? You're trying to lift the big basket? But yeah, we're getting some fruit. You want oranges? Got some stuff in the basket, getting some fruit in the fruit aisle, guys. grocery store time. When it's Chinese New Year, guys, I gotta definitely get some mangoes for a Buddha I know who really wants some. So let's put this in here real quick. Walk to the line. And I want to get some of these too. Maybe, let's see if the price is good for Chinese New Year. Have some beautiful orchid flowers for Buddha and God, because I want to look good in my next life. I don't know about you, I don't want no acne. So tomorrow I'm gonna finish filming my jacket video with members only. I got my other one and they're the varsity jackets in my closet. So tomorrow I'm gonna be filming that video, guys. And right now I'm just working on my room, moving some things around. So I moved Maleficent's little scratching post right over here next to my bed. And then I just got all my waterfall lights going down, and I don't think you've ever really seen it unless if you guys follow me on Instagram, but I bought like a tapestry for that wall, but I didn't really like how it looked. It looked kind of dingy. It was a space kind of theme, a galaxy tapestry, and now I switched it out just to have my waterfall lights. I kind of got the tapestry so Maleficent wouldn't get the lights. Hi! You want to be in the vlog, Maleficent? Are you stretching? You and your deadly nails. And I stole my brother's baby pillow when he was little, and I'm using that to lay on because it's so comfy. Hi, Maleficent. So basically, her little scratching post thing is like now over here by my bed, like I said, and then I'm working on that wall over there, guys, for my bookshelf to make it all nice and awesome. So trying to work on that, gonna make it look nice, get some pictures for my account, for my bookish peeps who love the book stuff, and yeah, I can't wait, tomorrow's gonna be fun. I work a little bit later, actually a lot bit later, I work at like 5 to 10, and while I'm waiting to go to work, I could definitely do some more chores, like do my laundry, and move some holiday stuff around, go put it outside in our little storage room. That's weird, I heard like a boom. Sounded like a big airplane or like a car or something. And then I'm going to do the what was I saying? So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna film my video and be productive and do my second little jacket video, and I'm gonna have a productive day tomorrow. It's gonna be so exciting. Are you still eating, Maleficent? Maleficent's eating down here, guys, enjoying her food. I definitely am gonna have to get her some cute food eating bowls, but I kind of spent a bunch of money on her already. I bought this thing for like almost $100, so it was a little under. And I've been buying her so much litter and cat food because she eats so much. Oh, my hats. I gotta find a part to like put my hats, like find some room in my closet to put these guys, because they were kind of hanging on my bookshelf, but now I don't want them to be hanging. But yeah, working on my bookshelf, guys, and the mess on the ground. Gotta deal with that too. At least it's not too messy. So yeah, Maleficent's got her fun little area over here. She's just chilling. Gotta get her some nicer eating attire. And my charging cables. I gotta find a new outlet for that. Oh my God, Maleficent, get down from there. She just loves going on my bookshelf when she knows she's like not supposed to. Maleficent, get down. What are you doing? Get down from there, honey.